Why does the learning rate matter so much in deep learning? Many programmers and AI enthusiasts are kept up at night trying to figure the best learning rates for their AIs. In this video, we'll unravel learning rate concepts in the fascinating world of deep learning. First things first, what on earth is a learning rate? It's a concept that's integral to the process of training a neural network. The learning rate is a hyperparameter that determines how much an AI system learns from new data. Think of it like a step size. When a neural network is trained, it makes incremental steps towards the optimal solution. And the size of these steps is determined by the learning rate. Now imagine a hiker trying to descend a hill. The learning rate is akin to the stride length the hiker takes. If the stride is too short, the hiker might take forever to reach the bottom. If the stride is too long, the hiker might overshoot the bottom and end up on the other side of the hill. Similarly, in a neural network, if the learning rate is too small, the system might need an excessive number of iterations to converge to the best values. Conversely, if the learning rate is too large, the system might overshoot the optimal solution. In the realm of Pascal programming and the CAI Neural API, setting the learning rate is as simple as setting initial learning rate property. But why does the learning rate need to be a small number? It's all about precision. A small learning rate allows the system to make small adjustments to the weights and biases, ensuring that the system is not wildly fluctuating or overshooting the optimal solution, provoking overflow errors. However, a word of caution: while small learning rates are generally good, setting the rate too small could lead to a painfully slow convergence or even cause the system to get stuck. It's a delicate balance and often requires a bit of trial and error to find the sweet spot. To wrap it up, the learning rate is a crucial part of deep learning. It determines how much a neural network learns from new data and how quickly it converges to the optimal solution. A good learning rate is typically a small number to ensure precision and prevent overshooting. But remember, too small could lead to slow convergence. It's all about finding the right balance. So the next time you're setting the learning rate for a neural network in Pascal or any other language, try numbers such as 0.01 or 0.001. Complex neural networks tend to require smaller learning rates, while smaller neural networks can converge with higher learning rates. Remember, it's not just a number, it's the stride that your AI takes towards learning from data and solving problems.